No.
No? Alright, so would you like vanilla or strawberry? Like regular or strawberry? Regular? Okie dokie. So there's a couple rules. If your marshmallows catch on fire, make sure you blow it out like a birthday candle. Don't wave it around like a lightsaber, alright? Make sure you don't sit or lean on my campfire pit. It might get really hot. Please don't feed any of the animals. They might ask you for marshmallows. You're not allowed to give them marshmallows, okay? No matter how much they beg. And make sure that you give the stick back to me when you're done, because we don't want them running off, okay? Cool. Here is your stick. And I'm going to go ahead and give you your s'more too, alright, princess? You get one s'more and you can have as many marshmallows as you want.
Say thank you.